Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mansi. I hope you all are safe and doing well. Please take a minute and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a world to me. And today's video is going to be about cabin crew interview hairstyle. So आज मैं 3 easy hairstyles आपको दिखाऊंगी. अगर आपको easy नहीं लगता है तो just watch it again and again and आपको आ जाएगा. I learned it in 2 days, so if I can do it, you can too. सो ये बहुत ईजी होने वाले हैं. यू कैन यूज़ दिस हेयर स्टाइल टू योर अदर जॉब्स ऑल्सो. ऐसे कुछ नहीं है कि ये सिर्फ कैबिन क्रू इंटरव्यू के ही हेयर स्टाइल्स है. इट्स नथिंग लाइक दैट. यू कैन यूज़ दिस हेयर स्टाइल on your different job professions as well. So without any further ado, let's get into our video. Before I start this video, मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें लगेंगी एंड वो इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी कि वही ब्रांड की चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. दिस इज़ जस्ट फॉर योर ओवरव्यू एंड फॉर योर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. यू विल नीड पैडल ब्रश. ये आपको लगेगा पैडल ब्रश टू कोम योर हेयर. अगर नॉर्मल कोम हुआ तो भी चलेगा. एंड देन यू विल नीड अ टेल कोम, नॉर्मल टेल कोम. ये मैं यूज़ करती हूँ क्योंकि इससे सेक्शन अच्छे से आता है एंड प्रिसाइज आता है. दैट्स वाई. नेक्स्ट अप यू विल नीड अ हेयर डोनट. ये मेरा थोड़ा बड़ा साइज़ है. यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ अ स्मॉलर साइज डोनट. लेट मी जस्ट चेक. आई थिंक आई एम बैक. सो या, आई डू हैव अ स्मॉल हेयर डोनट. So this is the one and this is the bigger one, so you can see. So what is this? Yeah, so ये छोटा है और ये बड़ा है. So I use whatever comes in handy. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि you have to use, but it depends on your hair length also. My hair are quite big, but sometimes if I cannot find smaller one, I use bigger one. And then you will need some U-pins. You will need some bobby pins like this. These are ये ऐसी होती है. Oops, yeah. These are bobby pins and these are U-pins. Yeah, like this. And you will also need tic tac pins, which I don't have right now. And you will need a juda net. Juda net आपको पता होगा, उसको fish net बोलते हैं. And I don't have it right now because मेरा फट गया था तो मैंने फेंक दिया था and I don't have it handy. And then you will need some elastic rubber bands or whatever rubber bands. Then you will need some hair gel. I am using this Vaseline aloe vera gel because I don't use hair wax or hairspray, but still I have a hairspray just to show you if you have really too much baby hair और जो aloe vera gel से भी नहीं हो रहा है. And interview day is something you need to be well presented and well groomed. So अगर ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो do apply your hairspray. Make sure you apply it in a very less quantity, and once you go back home after your interview, you wash your hair without fail. And I use this hair serum before making a bun, just so that अच्छे से glide होता है and मेरे hair set होता है because my hair is dry and frizzy. So I apply any hair serum. I'm using Livon hair serum and this hair spray is from Schwarzkopf. So yeah, that's it you need. I'm just missing out on tic tac pins and hair net, which is like a very normal thing to apply. आपको आ जाएगा. And I have made a get ready with me a video. उसमें मैंने complete hairstyle से लेके makeup तक बनाया है. So you can definitely check out that video. And I have used hair net in that video. So yeah. To start off with hair serum, guys, it's not mandatory that आपको यही ब्रांड का और हेयर सीरम अप्लाई करना है. टेकिंग दिस मच. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है गाइस. इट्स जस्ट मेरा हेयर बहुत ड्राई है इसलिए मैं ये यूज़ करती हूँ. एंड सो या, दिस स्मेल्स ग्रेट, वेरी नाइस. सो आई एम अप्लाइंग टू माई हेयर डाउन. मैं रूट्स पे नहीं लगा रही हूँ बिकॉज इट्स नॉट गुड टू अप्लाई एनीथिंग ऑन योर रूट्स विच हैज़ केमिकल. टिप फ्रॉम माई एंड, आप हेयर ऑयल भी लगा सकते हो बट मेक श्योर यू यूज़ नॉन स्मेल हेयर ऑयल, मतलब नॉन फ्रेग्रेंस हेयर ऑयल, जैसे कि लाइक चमेली का तेल, जैस्मिन तेल. डोंट यूज़ दैट बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा स्मेल आएगा उसका. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव सीरम, you can use hair oil as well. to comb my hair nicely. Hairstyle I'm making is very simple. This is my अगर मुझे कभी लेट होता था तो मैं यही हेयर स्टाइल करके जाती थी फ्लाइट पे, because it's very simple. So I'm making one section here, okay, and then ये मैं यहाँ से थोड़ा हेयर ले रही हूँ. I'm putting it back. This I'm taking back, and I'm just making a ponytail. So hair bun आप जब बनाओगे तब take these two fingers, keep it back, and उतना distance से लेके ऊपर आप hair bun बनाना, ठीक है. मतलब make your ponytail in that angle so that it looks neat and clean. You can also go for high bun जो यहाँ पे होता है, which also looks nice, but I don't like that because मेरे hair ना एक time के बाद they starts paining. So I always prefer this. Now this I don't have black extra, so I'm using this pink, but it's okay because ये वैसे भी मेरे bun में छुपने वाला है. So I'm just making a nice ponytail, tight. Okay, see, yeah. And then I'm taking this hair bun donut, and then I'm putting this hair donut back ऐसे, and I'm securing this hair donut using this U-pins. Nice and secured. Taking my hair, which came out from this hair donut from the middle, and I'm going to evenly distribute those hair on my donut. And then I'm going to take this elastic rubber band and place it on my donut nicely so that, and divide this hair nicely. I will show you from behind. It's like this. So I've evenly distributed my hair around the hair donut, and I've made two sections, and I've taken from one side and this from the other. I'm going to take these two sections like this, and I'm going to crisscross it and wrap it around my hair donut so that it looks nice and even. So just a suggestion, अगर किसी के बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे बाल है like below the waist, they can it is suggested for them not to use a hair donut. आप सिर्फ अपने बालों से ही hair donut बना सकते हो. I wish I would have showed it to you because I don't have it. Sorry, I'm using this U-pin again, and I'm securing my hair donut का final tone. Yeah, so I was saying आप अपने बालों से ही hair donut बना लीजिए. आप braid करके nice you can make bun and whatever suits you. And अगर फिर भी नहीं होता है, इससे भी छोटा hair donut आता है, you can just put it and आपके पूरे बाल आप अच्छे से उस पर लगा लीजिए. So my hair donut is done. A hair bun is done. Here is the part where you apply hair net to your bun because it looks very professional and very clean. I'm so sorry I don't have it right now. और इसमें लगा देती, कुछ ज़्यादा उसमें rocket science नहीं है, वो इतनी stretchy सी आती है. You just apply it and wrap it around your hair bun. So yeah, this is the first hairstyle which I made. It is very quick. I hardly took 2 minutes to make this, and you can see I have few baby hair. So I'm just going to take little aloe vera gel. This is little gel based and water based like this. Thoda sa I'll take it. I'll just activate it and I'll just put it on my hair so that it looks neat and professional. अगर जिनके बाल आगे से छोटे हैं, they can take a tic tac pin or a bobby pin and they can just secure it. अभी मेरे बाल तो बड़े हैं, that's why I don't need this. But if छोटे होते, because मेरे छोटे थे ये बाल, अगर कुछ ऐसा वैसे होता है, you feel that your hairs are too like protein hair or very silky hair, for those hair you can just, for your security and like neat दिखने के लिए आप बस एक पिन लगा दो and you're done. Let's move on to our second hairstyle. Second hairstyle which I'm going to do is little twisty type. So इसको हम one sided twisties बोलेंगे. So nothing you have to do. You have to keep the same partition, या फिर I'll show it to you again. ये है comb कर लिया आपने अच्छे से, you just comb your hair nicely, make a nice partition here, whatever, this side, left or right, any side partition you like, you do it. It's not mandate कि आपको लेफ्ट साइड से ही पार्टीशन करना है or whatever it is, it's nothing like that. Sometimes I just feel कि मैं बाल काट दूँ. It's a pain, you know, when you don't get enough sleep and you know you have to make your hair before flight. It's a pain. बहुत बार मेरा ऐसे हुआ है कि you know I will just go and chop off my hair really. So yeah, now I made a nice partition. Here you have to make two sections, one which ends to your hair ear tip. यहाँ तक end होता है. So ये ऐसे निकाल लो आप and just ये बाल पीछे डाल दो and just take this hair and आगे ही रखना है आपको, ठीक है. I just do this because it becomes easy for me. And then यही से यही वाला गाइडलाइन लेना है आपको. Just take this and same ये भी आपका ईयर जहाँ पे एंड होता है, you have to make a section. So ये भी लेके पीछे डाल दो. Okay, now थोड़े टाइम के लिए जो सामने के बाल हमने निकाले हैं, just keep it aside. Okay, so I have kept this aside. Now I'm going to take this पीछे वाला बाल and I'm going to make a nice ponytail out of this. Okay. I made a nice bun, ponytail, and I'm going to secure it with a rubber band, just like how I did in the previous bun hairstyle. ये मैंने अच्छे से ले लिया. Now comes this part. I'm just going to, you know, separate this. Now I'm going to take this and एक हल्का सा twist देके मैं ये पीछे लेने वाली हूँ. And I'm just going to roll this and secure this nicely on my hair with a tic tac pin or a bobby pin. ठीक है, मेरे पास अभी tic tac pin नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने ऐसे इसको secure कर लिया. You can see around my ponytail I have secured it nicely. This hair, this side hair, I'm just going to take it and here you can do multiple things. Okay, sorry, multiple things. You can just take this और ये ऐसे ही रख सकते हो and make a nice ponytail, or else what you can do is you can just take one like this, like this, like this, like this, one. So ये थोड़े ना ऐसे layers आते हैं and now I'm going to take this behind, exactly behind, और ये मैं यहाँ पे secure करने वाली हूँ with a help of tic tac pin or a bobby pin. Okay, like this. So yeah, see, it looks so professional and very nice. I have little hair, less hair here, तो आप ये पूरा ऐसे भी ले सकते हो. You don't have to do twisties here, or you can do twisties here, you can do corn rolls here. मुझे आता नहीं है वरना मैं दिखा देती. It's very simple. Just make 3 sections of this side का hair and roll करके पीछे डालना है, roll करके पीछे डालना है. Now the bun बनाने का style remains same, so I'm not going to explain each and every step. मैं फटाफट से बन करके I will just show it to you in time lapse. See, I'm done with this second hairstyle and again I don't have a net guys, so just hair net लेके जूड़ा net लेके अपने bun को secure कर लेना. It will look neat and professional. And again, if you have any baby hair left, baby hair है ऊपर, hair strands है ऊपर, so just apply any aloe vera gel you have, or if you have too much hair strands, just apply your hairspray. पहले पानी मारना, स्प्रे करना पानी थोड़ा सा, and then apply a hairspray. So let's move on to our third and the last hairstyle of this video. This hairstyle is same like second. It's also called a twisty or a middle partition hairstyle. It's very easy, same like the second one but little different, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम बीच में से partition लेंगे, ठीक है. Now again a suggestion, you can also make a donut like this, hairstyle like this. जिनका forehead बहुत बड़ा है, they don't go for this hairstyle because आपका forehead बहुत clearly visibly बड़ा दिखेगा. But if you are pretty confident in that, because I love big forehead, मतलब मुझे अच्छा लगता है, I don't know if my forehead is big or small, but I sometimes feel that I would want a big forehead because कुछ hairstyles उसमें बहुत अच्छी लगती है. जिस for example Deepika Padukone and Anushka Sharma, when they make beach वाला hairstyle, it looks amazing on them. So if you're confident and if you feel that अगर मैं बीच में से बनाती हूँ तो मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट दिखूंगी, सो गो फॉर इट. डू वॉट योर हार्ट सेज एंड डू वॉट यू फील इज राइट. ओके, सो नाउ या लेट्स मूव ऑन टू अवर हेयर स्टाइल. मेक अ मिडल पार्टीशन, सेम सेकेंड हेयर स्टाइल जैसे यू हैव टू मेक 2 sections. I'm going to take this hair, same, कुछ difference नहीं है. You just have to make a nice ponytail which you're going to you're going to use this as a support for your hair donut, okay, where you will place your hair donut. Same thing, 2 inches. अगर आपके पोनी डालने के बाद भी यहाँ पे बेबी हेयर ऊपर आते हैं, just use a aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is for at the rescue. Also here it's very simple. Just like previous hairstyle, I'm just going to do this twisties. So I'll show you very close up. ये हेयर लेना है और ये अंदर डालना है, like this, like this, like this, like this, and ख़त्म होता है. Take it back, take it back, take it back, roly poly, and just wrap it around your donut. Cure it with a hair tic tac pin or a. So yeah, again, see, professional. Now I'm just gonna go and quickly make a hair bun. So yeah guys, see, it's done. We are done with all our 3 hairstyles, and again, this hairstyle, just secure it with a Juda net or a fishnet. So yeah, you see, it looks so professional, so neat, and just wear a nice watch, a nice pair of heels, nice trousers or skirt, stockings, and you're good to go. And this makeup you can do on your interview day. My lipstick just got off a little. I'm wearing a red lipstick and a golden eyeshadow, nice eyebrow, blah, blah, blah. Makeup is done. I have made a interview makeup video. Do check it out on my channel. It is right from your hairstyle to your makeup complete guide. And yeah guys, I just wanted to tell you that if you have colored hair, purple, green, golden, blonde, anything, make sure आप interview day पे जा रहे हो, or anything, anywhere you go, make sure you either get rid of it. Secondly, if you're making a buns like this, it's very easy to hide your colored hair. आप just extension लगा के just cover it nicely in a bun and put a hairnet, okay? If possible हो रहा है तो, if you're not confident कि आपके बन में भी नहीं छुपेंगे वो बाल, get rid of it. It's just, you can always color your hair back whatever color you want to, but interview day you will just get a one chance. It's not like a lot of interviews are happening, but आपको time जाएगा. You will take a lot of time to get through the interview process and falana dimkana, and because of this silly hair color you don't want to get rejected. So please, it's a humble request, आपके अगर बाल कलर्ड है तो इधर उसको, मार्केट में बहुत सारे हेयर स्प्रे आते हैं like color hairspray, black हो जाता है बाल. So for the time being, either do that or else get your hair color back to normal black color, get rid of it, cut कर लो. आई वुड सजेस्ट मत करना, बिकॉज इट्स मेहनत की खेती है वो, तो मत कट करना. और इधर हाइड इट नाइसली सो दैट इट्स नॉट विजिबल ऑन योर इंटरव्यू डे. Also, please take care of your hair. Do not use hairspray at all. At all as in karo use, but make sure you're not making too use of this thing, because at the end of the day it's chemical. Okay, you don't want to destroy your hair. isse bahut there are many cons of this. Your hair gets very hard and frizzy and dry. Second thing, hair fall hota hai. Third thing, dandruff hota hai. So never use that. Always use a hair gel or any घर का oil is also fine. So that is there. And please take care of your hair, because if your hair is nice, you will always be confident. That's what I feel, and this is what I follow. If my hair is nice, I feel very very double confident. Over confident नहीं, मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I can present myself, I can talk nicely, and the best part is I can make multiple hairstyles. So yeah, please keep all these pointers in your head, and do use these hairstyles on your interview day, be it for air hostess or any job profile. And if at all you make it, please do tag me and let me know how you like it in the comment section. So with this note, I would like to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. Show the support and love which you always have been showing it to me, and subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.